AminoGenesis Therapeutic Facial Repair with Synthe'6 size 1.7. 3 times the concentration of amino acid S4 super moisturizing power not available in any other formula. AminoGenesis Therapeutic Facial Repair with Peptide Synthe'6 super peptide that hydrates and softens as it protects against harmful free radical damage. Formulated with Peptide Synthe'6, an innovative peptide that helps maintain skin's elasticity as it fights against signs of premature aging, improving texture and tone for a radiant, youthful-looking complexion. Ideal for daily use. Secure Portable Skincare Nano Facial Steamer. Ultrafine nanoscale mist, moisturize your skin in just 30 seconds. Portable design. Keep your skin moisturized in your office, in your car or when traveling. Apply before makeup for long-lasting cosmetic looks. Apply after removing makeup to replenish your skin. Ready to use. Just insert 2 AAA battery and add water. Forest Essentials Tejasvi Milk Facial Upton 75 gm. An Upton is a traditional beautifying formulation made from dehydrated herbs, fruits, and nuts that are carefully blended to precise proportions for the purification and nourishment of the skin. This gentle dehydration process extracts the water from these rich and healing ingredients without changing or compromising their natural beautifying ingredients. Adding a little bit of rose water or a natural oil brings these blended powders to life, rendering them a rich and rejuvenating cream pack for the sensitive skin of the face. These revitalizing Uptons are made with a complex blend of Ayurvedic herbs that detoxify and tone the skin of the face while stimulating the metabolic activities of each cell and encouraging cell renewal. Made with herbs like turmeric, saffron, and good acai, these Uptons are rich with antioxidants and antibacterial agents that eliminate infection-causing germs and scavenge free radicals to protect the face from the damage done by exposure to harmful UV rays and environmental pollutants. These herbs also purify the blood and provide vital nutrients like vitamins C, E, and A, and minerals like iron and zinc, which are essential for cell division and help them to maintain proper moisture levels. This special Tejasvi facial Upton revitalizes the skin from the inside out, bringing to the surface the beauty and vitality hidden below. It offers a complex profile of toning and detoxifying mineral-rich clays that tone the skin and unclogs pores, by lifting excess oil and impurities, and purifies the skin, leaving it clean and fresh. While invigorating herbal extracts stimulate the metabolic activities of the skin and improve its tejas, giving it a radiant and youthful glow. Mix it with yogurt, milk, oils, rose water, or juices and give your skin the care that only Mother Nature can, with exotic fruits and flowers of the Himalayan forests. Fly Item 50 Pairs Professional Ultra-Thin Lint-Free Facial Under. Instead of using surgical tape or even cellophane tape to hold down lower lashes, the collagen eye patches are used during the eyelash extension process for client comfort. These eye patches stimulate the skin's collagen to brighten the skin under the eye during the eyelash extension treatment. The firming and brightening eye patch uses the patented technology that slowly releases moisture and nutrients to your eye area by harnessing the warmth of your skin. As a result, your under eye area is more hydrated, less puffy, your skin elasticity is improved, and your dark eye circles diminished over time. When used during the eyelash extension service, it holds down the lower lashes while giving a luxurious treatment to the under eye area. As it is lint-free, there are no stray strands of lint or fiber to spoil the look of your eyelash extensions. Package including 50 pairs size, 7 cm x 2.8 cm each. Tape uses, covering the lower lashes during eyelash extension. Cautions: keep out of reach of children. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact does occur, flush eyes with cool water. Avoid using on skin which is sensitive to bandages, tapes, or peel-off masks. Avoid using on blemishes, pimples, irritated or sunburned skin. Use immediately after opening. Ingredients: water, glycerin, allantoin, sorbitol, sodium polyacrylate, cellulose gum, polyacrylic acid, ricinus commune, seed oil, triethylhexanoin, kaolin, tartaric acid, aluminum glycinate, titanium dioxide, disodium EDTA, methylisothiazolinone, lodopropynyl butyl carbamate, tocopheryl acetate, allobarbadensis lead extract. Black facial esthetician bed with stool FB51 BLK. This is a quality product working as expected. Product arrived with no problems and minimal assembly was required. I will definitely recommend this product to others. Beel Enda Aloe Delicate Facial Cleansing Gel for Sensitive and Beel Enda Aloe's Delicate Facial Cleansing Gel for Sensitive and Allergic Skin 150g. Red Salon Stool Chair Facial Tattoo Beauty Mobile Salon. The salon stools are made of industrial-grade ABS plastic contour seat for maximum comfort. This style of salon stools are sturdy, comfortable, and come in a variety of colors. Working hydraulic replacement issued for any defective parts. CVS 5-in-1 Facial Care Cleansing Cloths, 30 pre-moistened, textured. CVS 5-in-1 Facial Care Wet Cleansing Cloths are an easy and convenient way to get a complete skincare regimen. These one-step cloths effectively cleanse, refresh, moisturize, balance and remove makeup. Reveals a more radiant, healthy-looking complexion. Helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.